Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on Alibaba. We finally saw a green day after 2 weeks of selling off. This entire year has just been a very rough year for Alibaba. We see that it's just been downtrending ever since the beginning of February. So if we take a look closer at the price, it closed at 123.60. It bounced off this blue trend line that we see here. It bounced off back in October, back in August, back in April. So that trend line is acting as a very strong support. Right now, we are below all the simple moving averages, the 20, 50, and the 200. Hopefully, we can continue this momentum for the rest of the week. This is an article, and it says, Alibaba stock rockets to best day since 2017. So today, they closed up 10.4%, making their largest single-day percentage gain since June 8th, 2017, when they gained 13.3%. So it says, while part of Alibaba stock rally Monday could have been attributed to a broader rebound for the category, the Chinese e-commerce giant may also be benefiting from some company-specific developments. The company rolled out plans to reorganize its e-commerce business, according to the Wall Street Journal. Alibaba last month cut its revenue forecast in the face of macroeconomic pressures in China, as well as new competitive dynamics, fueling some concerns over the state of its core business over the next few years. They also announced a new CFO. There's also news affecting Alibaba. So it says the People's Bank of China announced it will cut reserve requirement ratios next week. It will be the second reserve ratio cut this year. The move aims to support the Chinese economy by injecting liquidity into the system. The People's Bank of China will cut the reserve requirements ratio for major commercial banks by 0.5 percentage points. The cut is expected to release $188 billion worth of long liquidity into the banking system. This is great for Alibaba and many other Chinese stocks. To get into Alibaba, now would be a good time to get in because this price has never been this low since 2017. And you are definitely getting a better price than most people out there. I got in above 200. And I know many people got in above 150 as well. So you can buy shares. You can also buy call options. But with call options, they're a little expensive just because the IV has gone up. I suggest leap calls versus short-term call options because we don't know where Alibaba is going to be in the short term. We didn't know there was going to be a huge sell-off in the past 2 weeks. So it's very risky for short-term call options. But leap calls are pretty good. So if you take a look at the January 2023, the leap calls they're quite expensive. But if you go to 200, they're about $700. There's another way that I've been doing is buying call debit spreads. So it consists of two legs. So with call debit spreads, there is a max profit. Whereas with a long call, there's unlimited profit, but it's still pretty decent. So let's say you believe that the stock will go to 200 by 2023. What you can do is you can buy the 190 call and then sell the 200 call. You're looking at paying $125 and you can make a max profit of $875. So I do have some of these in my portfolio as well. And hopefully, like I said, this momentum will continue. Hopefully, we will stay above this blue trend line and try to break the resistance that we see here, 157. Let me know in the comments down below, did you buy the dip or did you throw in the towel? And also come check out the Patreon Discord. I'm trying to grow my very small community. Hope to see you there.